Before we begin with today's market analysis, I would like to mention our new channel membership options. This is a special introductory offer which will open access to members-only trading strategy videos that are based on high-value, high-conviction investment strategies and are characterized by superior risk-to-reward metrics that target massive, market-beating returns over time. Please note, this is a limited time offering of just $9.99 per month, but members that sign up during this introductory period will be able to lock in this new low rate for the entire duration of the membership. Again, this early sign-up period will allow you to lock in this low introductory membership rate for life, and these new low introductory rates will only be made available for a limited time. Monthly membership prices will be going up after this short introductory period ends. With these comprehensive, members-only trading strategies, I only choose high-quality, high-conviction stocks that are easily accessible, with relatively low share price values that are designed for easy trade positioning, and combined long-term trading gains are expected to far outperform the monthly membership rate of just $9.99 per month. Join now to lock in your low introductory rate and start trading stocks with the pros. Now back to the video. Here we have the current market analysis for GameStop Corporation, stock ticker GME. So I thought that I would just start this analysis by looking at the some of the prior videos that have been posted on this platform about GameStop, because as we can see here, the stock is definitely trading lower. We're definitely forcing to new lows here after some key breaks of support, and this just doesn't seem to be in line with what most of the community here seems to be suggesting. So I just wanted to quickly take a look at some of these. AMC GME earnings just released a pre-market halt. Bottom is in, moon time. Get ready to fly. Back-to-back catalysts. Okay, so I don't know how flying occurs when you're moving in the downward direction like this. There's just some others here just to kind of quickly note. AMC GME stock $500 per share. Wake up early. Pre-market $500 or $12. Okay, so I'm assuming $12 is AMC and $500 is GME. We're trading below $25 right now. This was 2 days ago. I guess everybody was supposed to wake up early so that they could buy the stock because it was quickly going to $500 according to this person. God bless. Okay. Yeah, none of this is true. And this type of video is posted every single day, and it's never accurate. The stock goes in the complete opposite direction. And I'm just not understanding why these videos have any views. Like, why would they have any views if they're just wrong constantly? It just doesn't make a lot of sense. So, the actual way to do this is to actually do the work and to look at the price charts, not to find some kind of random tweet on the internet that somebody posted, and then make a video where you just kind of read that tweet. I mean, it's just ridiculous. I don't know how anybody thinks that's how trading the market actually works. You have to spend a little bit of time looking at the price chart. So, with GameStop specifically, what I have been pointing to, the question that I've been asking people is to kind of imagine yourselves as the other side of the market. Imagine yourself as the short seller, and think about where you would be most likely to start to establish your positions to the downside. For this chart in particular, the level that I was pointing to came in at the $30 level, and there were specific reasons for this. As we can see here, the price high from July 17 came in at this would be $29.79, so very close to the $30 mark. Why was I looking at the $30 mark? We can look at the prior videos and make that assessment and try to figure out why exactly I was saying that. But what really this projection here, this estimation was based on, would have come from the share price activity that occurred June 14th, 2024, where prices managed to reach the high of $29.93 before falling lower significantly, as we can see here. This was sort of the last time that the stock sort of approached this $30 level. And then as we can see here, the stock fell sharply at this point. So it's really not much of there's really not much of a mystery here. I mean, where were short sellers kind of establishing their positions in the past, and then where might they establish them again in the future? I mean, it's fairly basic. This isn't looking, searching through the internet for some random ass tweet that somebody posted, suggesting that some bizarre occurrence happened, in the past, and then that means that there's going to be some sort of short squeeze in the future. I mean, none of it ever works like that. You have to try to figure out where the buyers and sellers are most likely located. And all we had to do is go back a little bit in time here, look at the price charts, and look at look to see what happened last time we approached this $30 level. As this happened, the share price fell quite quickly, and we ultimately reached lows just above 22.30. So, we didn't breach the $20 level or anything like that, but it's very clear that, the downside was coming on an approach of that level. So, making people kind of complacent and telling them to wake up and, the stock is just going to magically travel to $500. Watch this video now, don't miss out. It's just constant clickbait, and it happens every single day. I mean, these videos are never correct. I could understand maybe if they were correct occasionally, but they're never correct. Like not even one time. So I really don't understand what's going on. I don't understand why anybody would click those videos at all. People watch them on a regular basis. I mean, it's kind of hilarious. But it's also sad because people are actually losing money here. So, where do we currently stand with this stock? Most recently, what we've done here to the chart is that we've broken through these prior lows, which came in during the Monday trading session, July 22. The low from that trading session posted at 24.39. Currently, the lows are coming in at 24.14. So it's not much of a downside break, but we're continuing to kind of grind through these lower levels here. And, there's some kind of disconcerting activity here in the moving averages that does need to be noted because these are starting to become a bit of a mess here. I can kind of, zoom in on these a bit. So, what are these lines? The yellow line is a 20-hour exponential moving average. Blue would be 200-hour. Purple would be 100-hour. And the orange line would be the 50-hour exponential moving average. So what's going on here? We can see that the 20-hour EMA is crossing below the 200-hour EMA, and the 50-hour EMA is crossing below the 100-hour EMA. And this is significant because the same thing is happening right now with AMC, the exact same thing with these moving averages. So, these are bearish signals that need to be watched here. I'm not saying that there is absolutely no hope. There is some reason to believe that we're coming into a bottom here after this significant sell-off, because my next kind of line in the sand here comes in at roughly 23.80, and the share price is generating an oversold reading on the relative strength index. Okay, so I'll just kind of quickly point to that here. We're as you can see here, we're kind of like we're moving into oversold territory, and we're starting to kind of roll out of it a bit. Okay, what we would really like to see is for this purple line here to cross above the yellow line, because that would suggest that, the relative strength index is moving above its own exponential moving average, and it's rolling out of oversold territory in an area of prior historical support, which would have been generated during the July 8 trading session. So, these are the factors that we need to be watching. It's not some random ass tweet from some ghetto dude that posts videos every single day that are wrong every time. I mean, I would be embarrassed if I was wrong that often. Like these people honestly have no shame. It's mystifying, and I don't understand why people would continue to click on those videos. How can you be wrong every single day? Even by accident, you should be right occasionally. So it's nonsense, and it's completely mystifying. So here's the current market analysis for GameStop Corporation, stock ticker GME.